some breaking news on the Liquorgate probe viewers. Rouse Avenue Court extended judicial custody of former Deputy Delhi CM Manish Sisodia till July 22nd. Manish Sisodia was produced in the court through video conferencing. The next hearing in the case is in Rouse Avenue Court, again on July 22nd. That is right. All right, and I have been joined by my colleague, Madhurima. Okay, Madhurima, what we see right now is that Rouse Avenue Court has extended judicial custody of Manish Sisodia. What can we expect next? Now, we know Manish Sisodia has tried time and again to get bail. That keeps getting rejected. Where is this case heading to? What will he do next?
Well, Shivangi, there's no relief for Manish Sisodia now. Now the case will be heard once again. What needs to be seen here is that case against Sisodia has been watertight, and the main reason behind is that he was one of the main signatories in all the documents as far as the liquor policy was concerned. And the evidence against Manish Sisodia is heavy. The CBI, the ED, all of them have a watertight case against the former Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital, and which is why it is getting very difficult for Manish Sisodia to get bail at any level. We've seen him approaching all the courts, and we have seen him not getting bail, and this is the same in the same fashion today. Once again, Mr. Sisodia has been denied bail. We'll have to wait and watch as to see with Mr. Sisodia will reach a higher court or how he's going to really take his next move.
Well, and Madhurima, you know, we are tracking the story so closely, and we also saw the Aam Aadmi Party is making more allegations now. They're saying that Arvind Kejriwal has lost weight, 8.5 kgs of weight. Aam Aadmi Party is making its own allegations. In this entire scenario, where do you really think the Aam Aadmi Party leaders stand now? When Arvind Kejriwal, their convener, is already in jail, does this really give any hope to Manish Sisodia to get bail at this point of time? He has been trying for months and months now. And what are the main allegations that are against Sisodia and, of course, Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, these are two very different cases, Shivangi, because the allegations that have been leveled by Mr. Kejriwal is of that he's losing weight, and Tihar has come out with a full frontal statement that it is not true, where he weighed around 65. His current weight is hovering around 63, so that's not a major weight loss. Also, at the same time, when we speak about the charges, you remember that the PMLA clause is also there. When the PMLA clause is there against a person, it falls upon the duty of the person to prove themselves correct. That is why it gets very difficult to get bail in such matters.
Just one short question, Madhurima. You know, we see a lot of, just one short question, a lot of support for Arvind Kejriwal, but in the past few weeks now, but no support for Manish Sisodia. I mean, is anybody taking his side? Ever since he went to jail, even Arvind Kejriwal has washed his hands of Manish Sisodia's case.
Well, that's internal party politics, Shivangi. We've seen, because he's been the leader, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, so the entire attention has been drawn towards Mr. Kejriwal. That is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has been claiming as well, when they make political blames that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is not bothered and he never made himself a signatory so that he can get a bail.
All right, thank you, Madhurima, for getting us all the details. So that is one of the big breaking updates coming in, where we see that Manish Sisodia has got his judicial custody extended. Now, this is till July 22nd. That is a big update coming in on Republic TV. And we also move ahead now to the other story that we're tracking right now. Jammu is on high alert after 2 armed suspects were seen in Akhnur. A local woman was spotted in the suspects, and in fact this happened in Dhumi area. Joint security forces have come out and they are going ahead looking for the terrorists as the area remains on high alert. Here's a full report.